day, everyone. I am Hazel P. De La Vega, currently studying at the Philippine Normal University with a course Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. As a future-ready teacher, we are being molded, nourished, and developed to be an innovative, responsive, and sustainable teachers for future generations, instilling with us the three core values such as truth, excellence, and service. We are being strengthened through in-depth research, critical thinking and decision-making, improved communication skills, expanded knowledge and application in real-life scenarios, preparing us for the field of education. Your sponsorship serves as my motivation to pursue my dreams and also to be a successful and role model teacher, not just only for my peers but also to my future learners. I assure you that I'll make the best of it. Once again, I am Hazel P. De La Vega, lumalaban para sa bata, para sa bayan.